Understanding, under one roof. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, under one roof. This expression is used quite often in English, and understanding its meaning can really enhance your language skills. So, let's explore what it means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. The phrase, under one roof, refers to the idea of having everything you need in one place, or having a group of people or things gathered together in one location. It's often used to emphasize convenience or togetherness. For example, if a supermarket advertises that it has everything you need under one roof, it means you can find all sorts of products in one single place. Understanding where phrases come from can help us use them more effectively. The phrase, under one roof, comes from a literal meaning. In the past, when families or communities lived together in large houses or buildings, everything that happened in their lives took place under the same roof. This literal experience has evolved into a more figurative usage over time. Let's see some examples of how under one roof is used. 1. Shopping malls. This mall has fashion, food, and entertainment all under one roof. 2. Business services. Our company offers accounting, marketing, and legal services under one roof. 3. Family living. After many years, we finally have the whole family living under one roof. It's important to note that under one roof is not used to describe situations that are spread out or in multiple places. For instance, saying a business operates under one roof when it has multiple locations would be incorrect. Now, how can you use this phrase? It's great for situations where you want to express convenience, variety, or unity. You can use it both in informal conversations, like talking about a family reunion, or in a business context, like describing the diverse services of a company. That's a wrap on Under One Roof. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase confidently in your English conversations. Remember, learning phrases like these not only enriches your vocabulary but also helps you sound more like a native speaker. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.